A type is how Python represents different types of data. In this video, we will discuss some widely used types in Python. You can have different types in Python. They can be integers like 11, 45, or minus 502. Here are some integers. Integers can be either negative or positive. It should be noted that there is a finite range of integers, but as you can see, it's quite large. Then we have real numbers called floats on Python. In order to make a difference between an integer and a float, it will be necessary to add a dot and 0. For example, 3 is considered as an integer, while 3.0 is considered as a float. Data type on Python can even be words. The sequences of characters will be called strings. Last important data type, which will be used to filter cells, for instance, in the future in our project, are the booleans. It's important to be aware about the fact that at any time you can check data type of any variable by executing the following command. In this case, the output will be int, which refers to integers. In this last image, you can have a full recap of the different outputs that you will have on Python by executing the command type. Now, let's practice our knowledge.